Good afternoon, this is Chris Brecher with a Chart Patterns Mastery / Simpler Trading free video for May 7th, 2024. It's nice to be back after knee surgery. Probably shouldn't be on this early. I just had it Friday, but I'm fired up to be here right now, especially after a big rally, and now you're overbought at resistance. Now, what's that mean to me? Well, number one, when you get an indecision candle, you get that a lot when you're overbought, like you see down here with a MACD at a resistance zone. A zone isn't just one price. I don't know, just don't believe that when it's one price. Now, the thing about when you see that, though, is then the key is the follow-through day. Because, heck, that might be a bull flag. But look what I see. So what I see in here is if this doesn't hold, that's the S&P. If that doesn't hold, you're talking about down to this support zone. That's about 25 points lower. So that's what I'm watching, which means when I see this extended, but it doesn't look bad yet, do I want to have something overnight? No, but I'll tell you right now, when you see a 15-minute chart look like that, or a 5-minute chart look like that, you can look for what refuses to go higher or already has had a reversal candlestick. That's why we picked on Microsoft today. Did I get out too early? Well, not really. We shorted right here, and then we rode the Microsoft train all the way to this zone. Now, this is on the very close. We wanted to be out by the close. All we're going on is those big red candles and then a consolidation on the downside, which means you're not going to buy the top, short the top. I don't buy bottoms, don't short the top. Over 43 years, that's not the way to play it. The way to play it is the consolidation and to play the breakdown or the breakup. So that's worked for 43 years, and I'm going to stay with it. If I bought on the way down in 2008, you probably would be blown out. Just keep that in mind. So in here, you play that. You play the break. And it worked. That was about 1.5 points. What do you do tomorrow? Well, the first thing I'm doing is looking for more red candles. So you got Broadcom. Yeah, that has a red candle. That's from the 7th today. So I'm going to be looking at that pattern. Yeah, you see what I see. Now, keep in mind the NASDAQ on the upper right, that's the futures, not the cash, is holding right here. But I'm telling you, if that starts wavering, I'm going to play the ones that have the reversals and the bear flags to the downside. That includes Broadcom. That includes Microsoft. How about Apple? That's not showing me anything, but I will tell you, I'm going to respect this triangle in either direction. Now, keep in mind that Apple had good earnings. They had some conference today about iPads, which is a non-event, and the stock still did nothing. So I'm going to be watching the Apple on the downside. The Nvidia, yeah, you see what I see. If you see this many bear flags, and then you see a bear flag within a bear flag. Well, if this one breaks, then that one's going to break. And that gets you at the minimum back to that gap. Maximum, you're talking about 860. So I want to play the biggies tomorrow until proven otherwise. So have a great night. Talk to you later. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Chris Brecher, and I'm Senior Managing Director of Stocks at Simpler Trading. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like our content, please leave us a like and a comment down below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell notification icon so you never miss any of our great new content coming out. Good trading, and we'll see you at the next video. Take care.